So, when working with robots or various bits of electronics, i.e. changing the batteries on these, it's not uncommon to find recessed screws. Now if you've got a screwdriver like this, okay, that's the wrong end, or like this, okay, this one's a bit wide, but they can normally get right down into the recesses. However, if you're using an interchangeable screwdriver like this, or like my rather nice electric screwdriver, then they often come with bits like that, where the end might maybe I can get a smaller one with a smaller tip, but you see that wider area there is going to catch on that hole and it will never engage with the screw. So I went and recently bought some proper hex head bits, and that was because I've been using Torx bits to do hex screws. Don't keep doing that. I've done it and it eventually rounds the Torx bits and destroys them. Probably not that great for the screw heads either. But besides having the right head and also being nice and magnetic, which you can kind of tell by the way they stick together, get magnetic heads because I think this one is not magnetic. The other good thing about these is they've got this long stalk, which means if I've got to get into recessed bits, and again these are hex and that's a cross end, but then I can get into recessed screw bits either on that or on that. So yes, I'm going to be looking for these for all of the different types. So for the Phillips, for the posi drive, maybe not for flat because I don't often use the electric screwdriver for flat-headed ones, just because they're a bit, well, more likely to disengage and do something horrid. Really handy, really simple. You can definitely find them on Amazon and eBay and probably other good vendors. Yeah, bits that have a nice long stalk or stem or shank or whatever you want to call it, so they can actually engage right down to the screw and not end up being caught on the recess. Cheers. Bye.